This can just be the starting point for something much larger and doesn't have to stop here. Hi, I'm David from Hearns Hobbies here in Melbourne. Today we're going to be presenting the Flying Scotsman train set, actually as the Hornby Flying Scotsman train set. It's an iconic steam engine, which was a favourite of British and train enthusiasts around the world, from men to boys to train spotters. So today we're going to be presenting the Hornby one. Okay, what you get? Okay, you get this beautiful A3 462 Pacific steam engine, nicely detailed. Motion gear, which we'll demonstrate to you later. And on top of that, we get 3 teak coaches, complete with interior, seats, and compartment detail. And underside detail. It's presented as a combination first and third class coach, first class coach, and first and third class coach. So you can end up with basically a decent length train. One of the features about this engine is that it has a rather powerful engine with a brass flywheel. So hence, if down the track, no pun intended, if you wish to expand or run a larger train, you'll be able to run up to a 10-car express passenger train, just as the real Flying Scotsman would have been like in its day. With the set, which is a starter set, you get a basic oval track, 1.6 by 1280, approximate area where it takes up, so you get a nice simple round oval track to work with. And a bonus with this is that you, for operational interest, not that the real thing ever stopped for shunting, but you do get a functioning working point. So that adds operational interest, and you get a buffer stop. Also in this kit, for little hands and for older, bigger thumbs, a re-railer and a basic 12-volt transformer. So you have everything you need to get started and start having some fun. On top of that as well, is also for play interest, for younger enthusiasts, you have a track mat. And I'll just give you an idea what that looks like, which can be expanded upon by other items in the Hornby range, such as their buildings, signals, and signal box. This can just be the starting point for something much larger and doesn't have to stop here. If you wish to expand upon it as a perfect father-son or a family project, or just for someone looking for a project in their retirement, this is a great starting point and is excellent value, as it allows you to get into the hobby with a really nice model and you start off with a train. So we have plenty of these in stock, and if you have any questions or you need advice on scenery, building, layout building advice, come and see us at Hearns or the Hobby Man in A1.